Now that we've done this investigation and made sense of working on the Cartesian plane and using the unit circle, let's do this as a warm-up before we jump into doing some of the examples. Which quadrant are we in? So we need to figure out, are we in quadrant 1, 2, 3, or 4, based on the information that we are given. So let's have a look at number 1. It gives us that sine theta is bigger than 0. This means bigger than 0. So they are saying sine is positive and cos is smaller than 0, cos is negative. Now we need to figure out which quadrant are we in. Well, let's look at them separately. This is just helpful, the cos diagram or whatever sort of acronym you use. So for the cos diagram, we know that sine is positive there and there. All ratios are positive in the first quadrant and sine is positive in the second. And then where is cos negative? Well, cos is negative there and there. So where do these two pieces of information overlap? There. So we are working in quadrant 2 for this one. Very important. Next one. It says tan theta is smaller than 0, so tan is negative. Where is tan negative? Tan is negative there and there. But cos is positive. Cos is bigger than 0. Cos is positive. Where? There and there. These two pieces of information overlap there, so we are in quadrant 4. Next one. Maybe pause and try and see if you can figure it out. It gives us that cos theta is equal to a half. Okay, it is positive because it's equal to a half. It's positive a half. So cos is positive where? There and there. And theta must be bigger than 90 degrees. Well, this quadrant is not bigger than 90 degrees. It's less than. So it's that and that and that. So they overlap there. So we are in quadrant 4. Last one. Maybe pause and see if you can figure it out. Sine is equal to negative 0.4. So we can see that they made sine negative, which can happen there and there. And also, theta must be smaller than 270 degrees. Well, 270 degrees is there, as we know. So anything smaller than that will be there and there and there. So we are in quadrant 3. Okay, this is the first thing that we need to get right before we jump into these questions. So let's do that.